Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to use the system's filters. We have lots of options and you should be able to access the filters here by this drop-down menu and filters. Here we have the filters that can be concatenated. For example, I want a description that starts with T, contains ES, and ends with 5. And as you guys can see, all the filters that I put in fit this description. I can also use the equals to, so this obviously does not is not able to concatenate with the other ones, but it's pretty functional. So let's clean the filters. So now we have all the providers back. We can also filter numbers or money. I can filter with these two concatenatable values, smaller than or bigger than. So I want a value that's smaller than 100 and bigger than 1. I could, for example, make it bigger than 12, so still works. I can also enter the exact number here, but we're not going to do that. Let's clean the filters. We can also filter by creation date. So before a date, after a date. So we can also even use hours and minutes to filter. I won't do that as it will take longer than I wanted this video to. We can also go, for example, to the trunks here, and as you guys can see here, all the trunks have a provider, so we can also filter by provider. So if I go here to the provider filters and select a provider, for example, voice trading premium, I'll be able only to see the trunks that are from that provider, and that's also very, very useful. It's also very good to remember that the export CSV button and the print button, both of those do respect your filters. Also, we have this field here, which is also default to a specific field, but the same can also be archived through these filters. It's just that you don't need to go to the drop-down menu. They're all very functional and very useful. I hope this video was of help to you guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch our other videos. See you guys next time.